You cannot own this watch with that many references and not be successful behind it. You have to chase after it, but fortune is yours to grab with the apex predator on your wrist. I'm just saying. Now, let's just go over some of the actual, what Rolex says about it. So, 44 millimeter yellow gold oyster bracelet, um, bi-directional rotatable blue and gold ceramic bezel, synchronized countdown, 1 to 10 minutes ring command bezel. Like I said, triangle at the 12 o'clock, white dial. I mean, it's just a watch to behold, man, and it's a watch to be